Hello CS50, this is the presentation of my project0. Welcome to my very first web page. As you should know, I'm very proud of it. It is supposed to be one of the most beautiful and useful pages in the world. This web page, it consists of 4 HTML files that are linking each other through anchor tags. And as you can see in this demonstration, you can go back and forth through all the pages and all the articles that has the web page that consists basically in home, geology, geophysics, and geohazards. You can go, as you can see, back and forth through the HTML files. How can this be done? By implementing an index HTML file in which I created a link to the Bootstrap library, as well as a link to the style CSS file, and some rows and columns as it is demanded for getting the intended result. Something that it was very uncomfortable for coding here is that I have to hard code a lot of things. I mean, I have basically to put 4 links to Bootstrap and 4 links to the style CSS file, because I do not have the ability, I mean, at least at this point, to render a base in which I can put more HTML. Okay, this is basically the demonstration. As you can see, I have used everything that it was demanded to use. I used an order list that in this place it is used as a navigation panel. I use a table in which I put here like a little mineral chemical components table and an image, and I think that it was everything. I have to use as well a style CSS file in which I define nesting elements as well as variables. So I think that that's everything for my web page. Thank you very much.